Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps and go to the settings then. Now click on General Management and select Language and Input. And here click on Language. If you'd like to change it, click on Add Language, and here you've got the whole list of languages, so you can apply whichever you want to. Let me pick Croatian, then select the region, and if you would like to set it as default, just mark it. And that's it. As you can see now, Croatian is default language, so you can smoothly use your device in this language. But then, whenever you would like to change it, just find and open Languages and Input, select Languages, and now you can either swipe English up to make it a default language, or let me go back there, or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on Edit, mark it, select Remove, and confirm it, and as you can see, it will be also deleted. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.